Hi there, how are you? Today we are going to play a fun game. Are you ready to play a fun game? Do you like fun games? Okay, let's play a fun game. Do you know what this toy is? Have you played this one before? Have you played this game before? Yes? Okay, let's play this game again. Do you know these colors? Do you know what colors are they? Yes, correct. This one's red. This one's a red color. Look. Wow, red color. Red color. Oops. A blue color. A yellow color. A green color. Do you want to see more colors? Do you know what this is? A orange cup. A blue cup. A green cup. A red cup. Wow, we have 4 colors here and 4 colors here. Do you know what this is? Yes? Uh-huh. This is a hammer. What do we do with hammer? We hammer things with hammer, right? This is a hammer. Good job. Okay. Let's play with this. Okay. This is a red ball. What do we do with a red ball? Let's hammer the red ball inside this, right? Okay. Oops. Oop. Red color, red ball. Red ball, red ball, stay here. Okay, let's go with the blue one. Oop. Oops, oops. Blue ball. Let's put the blue ball here. Let's try to put blue ball here. I think it might fall, but let's put it here so it doesn't fall. Blue ball, red ball, and green ball. Wow, a green ball. Look, it's a green ball. Ooh. Let's get the yellow ball now. Same way. Hammer, 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 hammer. Ooh. Yellow ball. Wow, it's a yellow ball. Do you know how this works? Look, there is a hole over here. And there is a hole over here too. This is a hole, right? This is a blue hole. This is a yellow hole. This is a red hole. Red hole. This is a green hole. Wow. Wow. What a wonderful game. Right? You like this game? Do you want us to do that again? Let's put this color on the blue hole. Where is the blue hole? Where is the blue hole? Oh, here it is. Let's put on the blue one. Oh, green. Where is the green hole? Oh, it's here. Let's put on the green. Do you know where I should put this one? Where does this one go? Oh, it goes here. Yellow. Good job. Do you know where this one goes? Oops. This one goes. Where does it go? I forgot. Can you tell me where it goes? Where does it go? Oh, you're right. It goes here. It goes on the red one. A blue cup. Oh, a blue glass. A red glass. An orange glass. A green glass. Let's hammer this again. Are you ready? Are you ready with me? 3, 2, 1, hammer. Ooh, look, a blue ball. Let's hammer this one too. 3, 2, 1, hammer. A yellow ball, a blue ball, a yellow ball. Let's hammer the green ball. 3, 2, 1, hammer, hammer. Oh, a green ball. I have 3 balls. A blue ball, a yellow ball, a green ball. Let's hammer the red ball as well. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, hammer, hammer. Oh, a 4. We have 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? This is a red color. This is a red color. This is a green color. This is a yellow color. This is a blue color. This all are ball. They are round. Look at this. It's a round red ball, right? It's a round green ball. It's a round yellow ball. It's a round blue ball. Wow, we have so many balls. Let's put this red ball in this cup. Let's put in the red. Wow, let's put this green in the green one. Oh, it's a orange, but let's put in the orange this yellow ball. Good. And this is a blue. Let's put the blue in this one. Wow, so wonderful. Look. Spinning, spinning. Spin, spin, spin. Ooh, nice. Nice. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. It's too much. It's full. Let's empty this one. Empty. Empty. There is nothing inside now. It's empty. Let's put this one back here on the blue. Let's put blue on the red. Let's put red, red. Green. Let's put on the green, green. Yellow. Let's put this yellow ball on the yellow. Do you know what this is? Correct. It's a hammer. This is a hammer. We hammer, right? This is a hammer. And do you know what color is this color? Do you know that? Oh, yes. It's an orange color. Do you know this shape? Do you know what shape is this? It's a cylinder. It's a cylinder shape, right? Okay, let's play this one more time. Are you ready? Are you ready for the play? Okay, let's hammer. Okay, we are going to play this game. Hammer. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, this looks perfect. Okay. Oops. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Hammer. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Hammer. 3, 2, 1. Hammer. 3, 2, 1. Hammer. Oops. Wow. We really enjoyed today, right? Did you enjoy today this game? Yes, you did. Good job. So today we learned 4 colors. A blue color, a yellow color, a red color, and a green color, right? We're going to put this back here. This blue color goes in the blue ring, right? This yellow color goes in the yellow ring. Red color goes in the red, and green goes in the green. Good job. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.